Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to post anonymously on a Facebook group. First, open Facebook. Of course, make sure you're logged into your account by going to your menu located on the lower right part of your screen. Now from here, under all shortcuts, find a group that you would like to post into. So I'll tap groups in here, and then you'll see your groups and then the groups that you have joined. So select the group you would like to post, and then tap on write something. So I'll write something in here. I'll say hi, and then on the top part of your screen, you'll see an option to enable post anonymously. So tap on that. So it will give you this prompt in here. So make sure to read that and then tap on I want to post anonymously. After you're done with the description of your post, just press on post, and then all of the group participants would not know who posted the specific post because it was posted anonymously. And that's how to post anonymously on a Facebook group. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.